Hi friends, I have a book for you today. This is Car, Car, Truck, Jeep. There's the car. Right. Car, Car, Truck, Jeep by Katrina, Charman, and Nick Sharratt. Car, Car, Truck, Jeep, have you any fuel? Yes, sir, 3 tanks full. They're putting fuel inside their cars and trucks and Jeeps to make them go. 1 for the red bus, 1 for the train, and 1 for the pilot in her jumbo jet plane. Honk, honk, beep, beep, driving down the road, pass by the tractor with its heavy load. The tractor's carrying hay. I wonder where they're going. There goes a motorbike weaving to and fro. Stop at the red light. Then off we go. Chugga, chugga, choo-choo, race along the track. Pull along the carriages, clack, clackety, clack. The train is going on a bridge. Arriving at the harbor by the seaside, hop on the hovercraft. Such a bumpy ride. It's a hovercraft that's going on the water. Flicka, flacka, flicka, flacka, what's that in the sky? Look, it's a helicopter buzzing on by. Spot the yellow taxi bouncing up and down. Climb slowly up the steep hill on the way to town. The truck's going up the steep hill. Rumble, rumble, scrape, dig, there's a dumper truck. Digger lifts the bucket filled with dirt and muck. The construction sites, a lot of times the vehicles work together. So the digger is digging and putting dirt into the dump truck. Flashing lights and sirens, a police car rushes past. When there's an accident, they must get there fast. So the emergency vehicles are going to help. Vroom, vroom, screech, roar on the motorway. It's time for bed now. We've had a busy day. All the different vehicles on the road. Yawn, sighs the red bus. Snores the train. Sweet dreams, says the pilot in her jumbo jet plane. Vehicles are tired after a long day. And there's all the vehicles we've seen. I hope you get a chance to see some vehicles around your house today.